Division Lycophyta. And we are going to look at the life cycle of Lycopodium. The life cycle of Lycopodium. Or the life cycle of Lycopodium, and sometimes is referred to as ground pine. Starting from the sporophyte generation, the diploid generation, which is a sporophyte. There are this thin horizontal rhizome as a stem associated with adventitious roots. There are these microphyll. These are the leaves-like structure. And then at the tips there are strobili or singular strobilars. So within strobilars is where there is what's referred to as sporophylls. So these sporophylls are the leaf-like structure or reproductive leaves which have been accompanied by sporangium, accompanied by this kind of sporangium, this type of sporangium. So sporophyll with sporangium. So the sporangium from the sporophyte generation composes of the spore mother cells, which are in the form of diploid. So in order for the cycle to proceed, the spore mother cells undergo meiosis stages to form the haploid spores. Then a single haploid spore, once is splashed during all dry season, and then falls on the surface of the ground. So once supported by water to germinate, a single spore haploid germinate to form the gametophyte generation with their associated roots, which grow downward in the soil by the aid of mycorrhiza. The so-formed gametophytes develop two sites at gonium and antheridium. As usual, antheridium produces anthrazoids or sperms that, by aid of water, attracted, because they have water flagella, attracted, and they swim toward at gonium, where there is an egg. So once these two fuse together, they result into formation again of a diploid generation. So a diploid generation is resulted or developed on the gametophyte generation. So after development of sporophyte from gametophyte generation, once again it will form the former Lycopodium, which normally is equivalent to Christmas tree, Thank you for listening.